Hi, Andrew here with the plan of the week. This Thursday is Patriots Day, a national day to reflect on and honor those we lost and the heroes of 9/11. This week's featured course is Tools for Managing More Profitably. In this course, you'll discover essential strategies and practical tools that will help you strengthen your management skills and boost your business's profitability with confidence. Arthur Jones, Narrative Solutions Architect of It's Your Story Lab, is our featured small business member of the week. Explore the links below and discover more about him and his business. Are you seeking to brand, launch, or finance your business? If so, you'll want to check out our live stream tomorrow evening. I'll be talking with Natalie and Naomi Kinnamon about branding, launching, and financing a business that empowers women. Last week, I spoke with Seth Resler regarding what is community building and is it different from audience building. Check out the video highlights below. Also, you don't want to miss our new podcast on Thursday morning with me, Andrew Frazier, and some special guests about business success in times of uncertainty. Additional events this week. On Monday, Gateway Chamber of Commerce is holding the 51st Annual Golf Classic at the Suburban Golf Club. And then on Thursday, Union County Board of County Commissioners is having the Union County Means Business Expo at the Warnaco Sports Center. On Friday, the statewide Hispanic Chamber of Commerce of New Jersey is hosting their annual Diversity and Procurement Expo. Leadership Live at 8:05 is celebrating its 5th anniversary, and you're invited. Join us in person at Sankofa Cafe in Montclair, New Jersey, or online via YouTube, LinkedIn, Facebook, or Twitch on Tuesday, September 30th from 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. Scan the QR code to register at www.sbprou.com/5-years to secure your spot today. Get more details on these events below in the POW and check out our website events calendar page for more details about upcoming events. Scroll down through the POW for business tips, opportunities, and more event details. I look forward to helping you make 2025 your best year ever. And always remember, the more that you know, the faster your business will grow.